I'm Matt from Meidl Honda, and I'm here today with the CRF50F. If you're looking for the best dirt bike to get your little ones started and excited about the sport of motocross, look no further, because the CRF50F is the #1 pick. The CRF50F is Honda's longest running off-road model and the choice of first-time riders all over the world. Young riders have adored the Honda 50cc dirt bike since the 1960s, evolving from the QA50, the Z50, the XR50, and now the CRF50F. Loved by families for generations, if you ever got on a dirt bike as a young kid yourself, chances are it was a Honda 50. I know it was for me, but don't take my word for it. We're gonna go and talk to my friend Lauren. He's gonna tell us a story about his Z50. Hey Lauren, tell me about this cool old Z50 you got here.
So I found this on a farm near Choiceland. I was talking to the farmer. He had kids that were in high school, and he said it hadn't run in about 8 years, so $50 and it's yours. And I said, yeah, I'm all over it. Took it home. I got three boys. They were young at that time. And took the carb off, cleaned it, and it's ran since then. Went through my 3 boys. It went through my friend Al's 3 boys. It went to my nephew's place and went through his 3 kids. And now I'm gonna fix it back up for my granddaughter. It's a 1981, 42 years old now. But the only thing I wish it had was an odometer, because I guarantee it's got 50,000 miles on it. It went around and around. You can't kill it. It's an heirloom. It will be passed on, my kids, another guy's kids, my grandkids. This thing just goes. My kids, you'll see some of their motorcycles in here. They got a love of motorcycling because of this bike.
The tough and reliable 4-stroke engine delivers smooth and easy-to-use power to the automatic 3-speed transmission, so young riders can just focus on riding. Honda's legendary reliability and longevity, paired with the perfect amount of features, the CRF50F is truly at the top of its game. Until February 28th, during the Honda Rush of Red event, you will receive $250 in-store credit with the purchase of a 2022 Honda CRF50F. So don't wait, come on down to Meidl Honda, see one for yourself.